very strange. Lots of there's something here. Okay. Looks like a buckle of some kind. There's still something in there. So, sounds good. There's all kinds of stuff in this hole right now. It's crazy. Alright, let's get in there with the pinpointer. Okay. This is a nail. Looks like a piece of lead. There's something else in here. Oh, that is a... nope. Wait, is that a button? Oh, it's a button. Oh, wow. Okay, I thought it was like a washer, but that's a nice little button. It's got 4 holes in it. I'm gonna look this up later, but I'm pretty sure this is a pretty old button. That's cool. I'm glad I kept looking in that hole. I'll clean that up. This one just brushed over some of that brush there. It's got a nice 28 signal here. Looks like another buckle. Oh yeah, it's actually... looks like the same... came from the same thing that I just found. This one has a little bit of the design left on it. Still not sure, maybe something from like a clothing, like an overall type button. It's buckle. That's cool. It's solid and low, like those buckles. So it's still in there. Oh, it's in there. I think that is actually another buckle. Oh, it is. Look at that. Wow, this place is filled with buckles. And there's some kind of design on there too. Cool. And again, right next to it, there's a nice buckle signal, I guess you could call it. It's got to be a buckle. See here. Oh wow. This piece of leather. That's an old piece of leather. Let's see if there's something else in it. Good use of the pinpointer here. Oh, look at that. It is a buckle. Oh, that's a nice one too. Wow, I broke it a bit. Wow, it's another old buckle. Someone must have just dumped a bunch of clothes here or something like that 100 years ago. I think there's more in here though. Oh, look at that. That's gotta be, it's another buckle. That's so many buckles. This one has some words on it. Believe it or not, that sounds like another buckle in there. Oh, I see it. That is indeed another buckle. Wow. And these are nice little buckles too. It's got to be all from clothing, I would imagine. I've been like 5 square feet and found like 5 buckles. Got a buckle signal here. Oh, and look at that. That's a buckle. Oh, wow. I do like these buckles. It's got to be from like pants. The signal's slightly lower than the buckles, but it could still be a buckle. Let's see. Oh wow, that's a buckle. Yeah, this is definitely from like from the pants or something. It's got the latch in there. Really nice design. Wow. The detail on them is crazy. Got a buckle signal here. Really shallow. Could be a surface buckle. Is that what I think it is? That is indeed a buckle. Oh wow, this one has a little latch on it. Oh, it's actually really cool. This also has a nice design. Maybe some writing on it. My first non-buckle signal in quite a while. This sounds pretty good though. It's in here. Oh, actually that's a buckle. Wow. That is a nice buckle. It's got some words on it too. It's a little bit higher than most buckles I found, but this still could be a buckle for sure. On the line there. Oh, I see it. And that looks like a buckle. That's really cool. So this is a complete version of that other buckle I found with the ring in it. That's cool. That's a nice one. Wow. Could be another buckle here. There's so much stuff here. Oh, actually, I think I see it on the surface there. Yeah, that's it. That's a buckle. Hey, how's it going?